Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve too many attempts. Try again later. To know how to fix or how to solve too many attempts. Try again later on FIFA Mobile. You should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you will search about this window of FIFA Mobile. Then in this list of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end of all the steps then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watch.